plant looks cute and adorable. It resembles a plump and furry creature, like a rabbit at first sight. But if you look closer, it looks like a jellyfish. It is known as Medusa Snowrabbiten. In China, Medusa Snowrabbiten is one of more than 20 species of snow rabbitin with furry coats. People tend to confuse it with snow lotus, but in fact, they are just close cousins. They both come from the snow lotus genus in the daisy family, but each belongs to a different subgenus. The snow lotus belongs to subgenus Amphelana, while snow rabbitin belongs to subgenus Ariocorin. In northwestern Yunnan, the Talus Slope at an altitude of 4,000 meters experiences relentless gales and cold weather all year round. Medusa Snowrabbiten, however, has set up home here. To survive in such a harsh environment, the ability to withstand cold is far from enough. Take a look at the furry coat of Medusa Snowrabbiten. Actually, it is a multifunctional battle dress. Snowrabbiten's leaves are divided in overlapping layers. Hence, it can absorb more warmth from sunlight. The fluffy fur can fill itself with air. It also helps diffuse the harsh radiation of the sun, preventing the plant from getting hurt. It comes in handy too during the rain, to shield the pollens from rainwater. All the features of this battle dress are intended to create a secure and stable living environment so as to ensure the success of flowering and fruiting. The Medusa Snowrabbiten spends most of its life prostrating on the ground humbly and gathering strength bit by bit. Only when it comes to the flowering and fruiting time will it pull off a burst of growth. In the flowering and fruiting period, to enlist the help of insects for pollination is the top priority. But how to attract bumblebees, denizens of the highland? The Medusa Snowrabbiten has its own tricks. It uses attractive colors and scents. Alpine flowers with bold colors can absorb more of the sun's heat energy and grab the attention of insects from afar. The flower head of the Medusa Snowrabbiten has thus evolved to take on a bluish-purple color. But this is not enough. Medusa Snowrabbiten can also send a smell attractive to bumblebees. Faced with such thoughtful preparations, few bumblebees can refuse the invitation. For thousands of years, many alpine plants have made the most of their instincts to evolve, trying to be more successful in survival in an extreme environment. Their tenacity endows the hostile land with life. As alpine plants are getting to be known by more and more people, their protection and preservation are receiving wider attention from human societies.